Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, very shortly, I will explain to you how to program Verizon Fios remote to your TV. First of all, power on your TV. After that, find the code for your TV brand in the Fios remote code list. You can usually find this list in the remote's manual or online. Enter the programming mode. You need to hold the setup button on your remote until the red LED light blinks twice. After that, enter the 3 or 4-digit code from your TV brand. After that, press the power button on the Fios remote. If your TV turns off, the code is correct. If not, repeat steps 3 and 4 with a different code. And that's it, your Fios remote is now programmed to control your TV. Enjoy watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.